What's going on, everybody? We're back with another one. Today, we're going to be discussing exactly 3 simple free methods on how to promote your CPA Grip offers. And if you haven't already, definitely be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. So here at CPA Grip, we'll be able to find many different offers that provide us multiple ways of getting income. Now, what I like to do is set up an offer in the United States. And I choose the highest rate payouts. Alright, now what we'll be doing here is once we're able to pick and set up our offers, we will go over to a free site creator such as Google Sites now. Google Sites is a great platform for you to create free sites that are not only free, but they are also able to be ranked in the Google search engine, bringing in free traffic. Now, this is not one of the methods that we'll be discussing, but it is a great method. Now, the first method and platform that we will be discussing is Facebook. Now here on Facebook, you could see that we have tons of different groups that are able to generate us tons of traffic if you use them in the correct way. Now, here, say, for instance, for our offer, we were choosing the giveaways. So we will look up different giveaway groups. Now, here in these groups, you can see 31,000 members, 4,000 members, 51,000 members, 10,000 members, and the list goes on and on. Okay, so you can see there's tons of willing people that are interested in free giveaways. So what we will do is structure our free Google website in such a way that it will attract those particular members. Now, if you want more information on how to build a free website in Google Sites, please be sure to leave a comment below for a complete guide video. Now, the second platform that we like to use for free traffic is Reddit. Now, Reddit is a great platform that has over 1 billion members and visitors per month. Now, with that billion members we will be able to receive tons of traffic back to our CPA Grip offers. Okay, so check this out. You have here, for instance, this one group has 93,000 members. This giveaway group has 134,000 members. Another Amazon giveaway group has 184,000 members. This group has 136,000. So as you can see, there is a ton of traffic here on Reddit that is willing to participate in your CPA offers for giveaways. This is a ton of traffic just from those 2 platforms that will be interested in your offers and will go on to your free website from Google. You will be able to lead them back to your many different offers. Now, the last but not least website that we like to use is Quora. Now on Quora you will be able to answer many different questions, and by leaving different answers you will be able to drive free traffic. By using our answer template you will be able to lead your target audience back to your CPA offers. Alright, now Quora has a ton of different visitors throughout the world. Currently they are getting over 500 million visits each and every month. So out of that, you'll be able to take your target audience from here back to you CPA Grip offers. With the 3 sites you can drive tons of free traffic for your CPA offers and giveaways. With the right messages you can lead members back to your free Google website where you would have your CPA Grip offers. Okay, so definitely be sure to check the description for the links and for more free tools that will be able to generate you more traffic back to your free landing page. And if you haven't already, definitely be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Stay tuned and we will see you in the next video.